Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the laptop keyboard is not working on your Windows. So if that's the case, then you cannot use your laptop's keyboard to type and then do your other task on your Windows. But if that's the case, let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So we need to use our mouse. We need to make a right click at the start button. It's right click, not left click. Then here we need to look for device manager. This one, click on that. Now once the device manager window is up, you need to locate keyboards. And here you'll find your keyboard driver. Now you might have more than one keyboard driver. Well, you just have to do the same process that I'm going to share too. Make a right click, select update driver. Search automatically for drivers if you are connected to an internet. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed and you have to close this and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. But if that didn't work, go back to the same device manager window and then locate keyboards again. Expand the list. Then you need to make a right click on your keyboard driver, select update driver. This time you need to choose the second option, which is to install a driver manually. So browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer because our Windows has also available drivers for us. So here, if you have more than one available drivers from your computer, just simply choose one by one as to what will work for you. Then you have to click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this. And then do you want to restart your computer? Now you have to click on yes. And after that, simply check if the problem has been fixed. Next method, you have to click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here you have to look for accessibility. That's under gaming. Scroll down and you will find keyboard under interaction. And here you'll find on-screen keyboard. Turn it on. Close the settings window. Now using the on-screen keyboard, click on your Windows search bar and type CMD. Then you have to click on Run as Administrator on the right pane to run the command prompt with administrative rights. Now here in the command prompt, simply type SFC space /scan now. It's SFC space /scan now. So this is the system file checker. Scan this whole scan and fix for all system corrupted files. Then hit enter. So the verification process will begin. You just need to wait for the process to be 100% completed. You can simply minimize the window while the process is going on and simply go back to this once this is 100% completed. And once this is completed, then close out of here. Click on the Windows key on the on-screen keyboard. Then click on the power button. Then click on restart. Then for the final method, we also need to make sure that we are running the latest version of our Windows OS or Windows operating system. Now click on the Windows key on the on-screen keyboard. Click on settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for Windows Update. And simply click this button right here to check for all the updates on your Windows. And once you're updated, close this and again you have to restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.